Okay, in our last video, I demonstrated how I placed my read aloud video onto Google Drive. So in this video, we're gonna get the code to embed this video in a Canvas discussion. Prior to doing that though, first we need to properly share the file. So right now you can see, I can see it up here in the quick access area. If you don't see it there, you might click on recent. And now you remember I created, I renamed the file so it has an indication of what the movie is. So this will be easy to find at a later date. Okay, and you'll notice as another thing I pointed out that video files are quite large. So this file is 931 megabytes. So that's almost a gigabyte. So that's why it took so long to upload on my phone. So once again, I advise you to be on Wi-Fi when you do this. Now, this file has been in the cloud for over 24 hours now, so it is ready. I'm no longer getting that warning that it's still processing. So if I click on the video, it will play.
The Kerman and
Okay, I actually don't need to play that right now. What I do want to do is I want to click on these three dots in the upper right hand corner, and I'm going to go to open a new window. Okay, this will allow us to grab the embed code. Actually, first let's make sure we share this properly though. So I'm going to click on it. I clicked on. We'll do that one more time so you can see. I clicked on share, and I'm going to go to advanced. I'm going to change this from private, and I'm going to go with on anyone with the link. Now you may be tempted to have this on anyone at weber.edu. That's okay for students to see your work, and in your case it would say anyone at Weber State. But you'll notice that my email is a little different than yours. I have .weber.edu and you have mail.weber.edu. So those are two separate mail domains. So make sure you click this on anyone with the link. Anyone, no sign-in required, can view this video. I don't have to let anyone edit it. So I'm going to click save. Okay. So now anyone I share this link with will be able to view it. Next step will be to get the embed code. And we don't have that option right here to get the embed code because right now we're looking at this in what's called the preview window. We're going to open it in its own window. So open a new window. Okay, so now you'll notice it looks pretty much the same, but you'll see my head wasn't there before. So that's the first difference I noticed. But then also we gain this option to embed item. So I'm going to grab embed item. I'm going to copy that. Okay, and then we're going to paste that over in Canvas. Okay, now that I've copied the link to the embed code, I'm going to jump over to my Canvas window. You'll notice this is just a demonstration discussion. It says share your video. I'm going to click reply. And I'm going to click on this little video icon. It says insert or edit media. Okay, you'll notice we have some different tabs here: general, embed, advanced. We're going to go to embed. I'm going to paste my embed code in there. Oh, looks like I didn't copy that properly. I was getting a doodle poll link. Let's come back over here and grab that. Embed item. We're going to copy this. Okay, there's my embed code. And you'll notice we see the video, little preview there. Now if I post this reply, this video can play right in the Canvas discussion. Let's try that out.
the Cosmo biography of Sun Ra.
Okay, so my video does work. You may get a bit of an error or a permission here. It may ask you to authorize Google, and you would just click the authorize button, and that would work. So that concludes our video on um, embedding videos in a Canvas discussion. Thanks for learning with me.